Chapter number 1, Similarity. Ratio of areas of two triangles. First property. This is triangle ABC. This is another triangle PQR. AD is the height of triangle ABC. PS is the height of triangle PQR. BC is the base of triangle ABC. QR is the base of triangle PQR. This can be written like this. Triangle ABC, segment BC is base, segment AD is height. Similarly, triangle PQR having base segment QR and height segment PS. We know the formula, area of any triangle is equal to half into base into height. By this formula you can write the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AD. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PS. Ratio means division, so we take the division of these two sides and half get cancelled with this half. So what remain? BC into AD divided by QR into PS, and this can be written like this in words. The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the products of their bases and the corresponding heights. This is the first property. Now we come to the second property. Ratio of areas of two triangles when heights are equal heights. So similarly, this is triangle ABC, triangle PQR, height AD, height PS, base BC, base QR. So we can write like this, base and heights to the corresponding triangles. Triangle ABC having base segment BC and height segment AD. Triangle PQR having base segment QR and height is segment PS. Now height C is equal. So area of triangle is equal, the formula is area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. This can be written like this, but here we are given that heights are equal, means segment AD equal to segment PS. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AD. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PS. Ratio means division. We take the division of both the sides. A half get cancelled with half. AD and PS are equal, so AD get cancelled with PS. So what remain? BC upon QR. And what is this? BC is the base of triangle ABC and QR is the base of triangle PQR. This property can be written in words like this. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Property number 3. Ratio of areas of two triangles when equal bases. Now bases are equal. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR, height AD, height PS, base BC, base QR. This can be written in word like this. Triangle ABC, base segment BC, height segment AD. Triangle PQR, base segment QR, height segment PS. The formula is area of any triangle is equal to half into base into height, and here we are given that BC is equal to QR because equal bases. So this is the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AD divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PS. BC and QR is same, so half get cancelled with this half, BC get cancelled with this QR. So what remain here? AD upon PS. AD is the base, AD is the height of triangle ABC and PS is the height of triangle PQR. And this property can be written in word like this. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Now we come to the property 4. Ratio of areas of two triangles equal bases and equal heights. This is the fourth property. This is triangle ABC, triangle PQR, height AD, height PS, BC base, QR is base, and inverse this can be written like this. Triangle ABC having base segment BC and height segment AD. Triangle PQR having base segment having base segment QS, having base segment QR and height PS. And here we are given that the formula area of any triangle is equal to half into base into height. And in this example, BC and QR are same, means base is same, and AD is equal to PS, means height is also same. So we write like this: area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into AD. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PS. Ratio means division of both the sides. Here half get cancel. BC and QR is same, so BC get cancelled with QR. AD is get cancelled with PS because height is also same. So what remain here? 1 upon 1. And this is the fourth property. This can be written like this inverse. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights and equal base is 1:1. Now we see the practice set 1.1.